Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Innova Disc Golf Starter Set. The disc models in this set allow you to hit the course and play your best from the get-go. Keep your drives in the fairway, throw reliable approaches, and make those center chain putts more often. Your scores will show the difference with the right discs in your hands. The Destroyer is a very fast, stable long-distance driver. Great disc for sidearm throwers and those with lots of power. This is the beadless model that provides an excellent grip. It is a straight flyer with a predictable finish. The T-Bird is great for pinpoint accuracy or distance, most accurate and reliable driver. Innova offers the most complete line of golf discs. The precision molded discs meet the demands of any shot regardless of the player's skill level. Innova discs offer the superior feel for confident shot making. The discs fly great right out of the package and wear in slowly to become your trusted favorites. Our second best disc golf discs is Innova Disc Golf Set. This Innova Nova disc has combined two different types of plastic materials to make this original disc. The rubber on the outside is what sets this putter aside from all other putters. The technique used in making Innova XD putters is quite advanced, and the flight plate is made from a firm XD material. This XD material is fused to a putter plastic rim on the outside to enable smooth grip. The outer rim is meant to grab the chain. This combination of soft and grippy plastic offers the best of both worlds. First, it offers stability even at high speed, and second is minimal fading out at slow speeds. Innova is the most popular and comprehensive line of golf discs. We offer discs for all skill levels and are constantly making product improvements and design innovations to help keep Innova at number one. For details, let's watch more. Third in our list is Dynamic Prime Burst Disc. It is very neutral in its flight, not being too stable or flipping over. The wide rim is able to take all the power that you can throw at it and just keep gliding to new distances. The Trespass will allow you to break through all obstacles and explore new territory in your distance drives. The Trespass is a great disc to learn how. Most high-speed drivers are too overstable for beginners, meaning their disc doesn't fly as far as they would like, but the Trespass is made to go far and go straight for everyone. It will fly very straight and go exactly where you want it to. When thrown harder, it provides a nice straight flight to get you closer to the basket. This disc is perfect for beginners to learn how to throw a disc far. New players will love how straight it goes, allowing you to learn the sport with confidence. Number 4 in our best disc golf discs list is Innova Disc Golf Champion. Innova is one of the best and most popular disc golf manufacturers on the market. The company offers dozens of disc designs for everyone, from beginners to experts. With many variations on each disc style, from distance driver to putter, Innova gives everyone what they need. One of the brand's most popular and versatile discs is the Champion Rock 3. The Champion Rock 3 is a mid-distance disc that can be used as a fairway disc for experienced tossers or a disc for all occasions for people new to the sport. Available in 3 weight ranges 165 to 170, and 170 to 175, and 175 to 180 grams. Innova's go-to mid-range disc is perfect for control shots. Disc golfers love this transparent disc that comes in a range of colors for its reliable fade and versatility. Its diameter is 21.7 centimeters. Our last pick is Westside Discs Burst King Disc. The Westside Discs Origio Burst King is the fastest disc for all levels of players. The King is designed to allow the average player to experience a long-distance flight. The Origio Burst King features a wide rim for easy grip as well as a nice high dome that traps the air and allows it to glide for extreme distances. For experienced players, the Westside Discs Origio Burst King will be a long flying distance driver that can double as a roller. For less experienced players, the King provides a full and dependable flight. This disc is designed for speed and distance. You have designed this disc in such a way that even the novice will be able to experience long distance flight. Wide rim for maximum comfort. The wide rim combined with a high dome makes for a great glide regardless of skill level.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!